section, we are going to learn about HTML images. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. So let me first write down the image syntax. Source attribute. Okay. The HTML image tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted in a web page. Basically, images are linked to a web pages. The image tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The image tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. The image tag has two required attributes, src and alt. src, it specifies the path to the image, and alt specifies an alternate text for the image. So the src, now let's have a look at the Google image. Let's just say anchor tag https google.com Google, and if I click here, it's not working because I wrote treatise here. So if I click here, it takes me to Google's page, and I'm going to copy the source, copy image address and put it in the source, and then go back. And here you can see my image. And let me cut this. And when a web page loads, it is the browser at that moment that gets the image from a web server and inserts it into the page. Therefore, make sure that the image actually stays in the same spot in relation to the web page. Otherwise, your visitors will get a broken link icon. The broken link icon and the alt text are shown in the browser, uh, are shown when the browser cannot find the image. Now, if I write Google logo and cut it, now my browser cannot find the image. So it is showing the alt text, Google logo. And alt also helps in case of screen reader. If the viewer or the visitor who cannot see, then the alt text is going to be read out loud if they are using a reading device. We can also change the height. Let me first change it. We can also change the height and width of the image as well. To do that, we use two other attributes. One is width, and it is in pixels. So if I write 200 pixel, it is going to be 200 pixel wide. And for height, if I write 200 pixel, it is going to be 200 pixel in height. So this is how you can use image in your website.